we are looking for a basketball player to join us for a karate training session. So let's go. We find two of them. They just come to the basketball court and had no idea what was about to happen.
It's not the same as it is in movies, but I wanted to practice before and I really enjoyed it.
It's a very interesting sport. Never did it in my life.
But we are taking it a step further. The karate master will play basketball and the basketball player will try karate. So let's go and find out what's going to happen. You know, sometimes you feel like you need a little boost, so we went and got some ice cream. By the way, why does eating ice cream always make me feel better? We were just looking around, trying to find some basketball players who would be willing to join us for a karate training session. We walked over and asked them if they were up for a karate challenge. Do you think they will agree to our challenge? And they said yes. So we got started.
I'm Nemonia. I've been playing basketball for almost 3 years. And what the?
At first he wasn't really interested, but luckily his friend convinced him to join us.
My name is Dvin. I've been playing basketball for almost 4 years, and I see basketball as almost like dancing, finding my peace.
You know, let me tell you a secret. Teaching the karate to basketball player was definitely a challenge for our karate master, but somehow he found the right way to make it work.
Yeah, do you remember? I don't either. Okay, just start off from here. You start off from here. And then you do you bring it up on low, bang. Then you bring it down to this. Then to this. Then to this. This. Then this. No, what? Oh yeah, punch, then block, then this, then block.
First right hand. First right hand.
I told you. Block.
Next left.
Then this. Then you do the kick. Then you do this.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah.
And then how to apply what they've learned in real life situations.
Actually, I watched a lot of karate movies back in the day, and I saw so many stuff about them. And I know people are saying it's not the same as it is in movies, but I wanted to practice before, and I really enjoyed it. And it's honestly one of my favorite parts of martial arts because it's all about balance. and it's really about the technique. And it's not like it only helps you with fight, but I think it helps you with life overall as well.
About karate. Yeah, it's a very interesting sport. Never did it in my life, but it seems interesting. You need to have like some self-defense. Sometimes it's just important in general in your life, and it's good to have in your self-defense bag.
How they handle the basketball challenge. If you skip this part of the challenge, you're going to miss the most important part.
The point is the power, you have to sit on the knees, and with the arc you come up, because the power, it comes from here, and the most important thing is the wrist when you shoot.
Yeah, shoot. Okay.
So, and this hand, you have it for the support. So whenever you miss with this, you can see where did you miss. So, for example, it goes in something like this. You have one hand on the center of the ball like this. Your wrist is supposed to be up. From down to up, release. Yes. But this is the hand that you shoot with. This doesn't help you shoot. This is just for support.
Okay, okay.
And the wrist work. Little bit more arc. It has to go from up to down.
From here, yeah?
Yeah, it has to go. So, in case people want to learn better, they want to get used to it, they also shoot like that. And every time you hit the square, it's automatically in.
Oh.
Same shooting form, same everything, but try to hit the center of that square.
Oh.
Tell me about your feeling about your basketball training session.
It was funny, but definitely challenging.